cars, the bodywork quite reliant to used to build those three-wheelers, of course, but this one, four wheels and four-wheel drive.
We're talking about the time course. These original four-wheel drive cars, the front wheels and rear wheels were directly connected, so the handbrake wouldn't just lock on the rear. So check it out,
That's actually not bad time, I think.
always 9/10 quicker, then it's second up in sprint.
Well, look, that'll be down to the four-wheel drive, of course, as he comes onto the drag strip to stop the clock. Now, he lifted up a little bit, but he still goes in the lead by a second. Ladies and gentlemen, our new leader